Hello everyone. So today my recipe for the day is going to be prawn pulao. Now this recipe is my favorite recipe because it's very close to my heart. Guess what? I learnt it from my mother-in-law. So let's go ahead and see what are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for it. You have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic, a couple of curry leaves, your salt, chopped coriander leaves, few green chilies to spice it up a little, 1 Maggi cube, few peppercorns, few cinnamon sticks, cloves and some cardamom. 1 cup of deboiled prawns, cleaned, nicely washed, a cup of good basmati rice, you can use any rice for that matter, chopped tomatoes and sliced onion. Over to your dry spices. This is 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay guys, my pan is hot now, it's on medium flame. So now we're going to get the pan hot. You can put it a little higher. Now I use olive oil because it's really healthy for the family and for all of us. So just pour in a little olive oil. Approximately about 2 or 3 tablespoons. If you need more, you can always use more. So once the oil is hot, you add in the sliced onion. Allow the onion to fry nicely till it's nice and translucent. Now once the onion is getting a bit translucent, you add in the ginger. It's about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Add it to the onion. Give it a good stir again. Fry it well. Okay, now once this is fried, once you fried the ginger garlic well, we'll put in all the dry spices. You have your peppercorns, you have your cinnamon stick, your cloves and your cardamom. Then you open up the Maggi cube. Just put 1 Maggi cube in here. Just smash it a little so that it mixes well. And you fry it well. In the tomatoes, the chopped tomatoes, the curry leaves, and the slit green chilies. And give it a good stir till the masala gets into the Maggi cube and the onions and everything. Okay, once you finish frying, let us add all the dry spices. Put in all the dry spices together, one by one. The curry powder, the chili powder. You can add more chili. You can make it as spicy as you want. It's up to you. And we'll add a little salt. That's it. Stir it well. Simmer your gas. Let your masala cook now nicely till the oil leaves the masala. Give it a good stir. Now the masala is fried. Now next we'll go your shrimps into it. And stir fry the shrimps nicely so the shrimps get covered with the masala properly. Okay. Now you're frying it well. Allow this to sit with the prawns in it for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we put in the rice along with the water. Okay, also in this dish you can use any type of vegetables if you want. Because I don't use vegetables, but you can use potato, you can use carrot, you can use peas, you can use anything what you want. Just add it to the rice, it will still be fantastic. So you can use whatever vegetables you want to it. Okay, so our masala is done. Even the prawns are cooked. So now we'll add on the rice to it. Now this is 1 cup of rice. Now if you want your rice to be really nice and grainy, your pulao to be nice and grainy, if your cup of rice is 1 measurement, you need to use, your water will be 2 measurements. Now I use a little less than 2 just because we like the rice very grainy. But the exact measurement, if your rice is 1 cup, you can use 2 cups of water. Now next will go my coriander. This is actually a 1-pot meal, you know. The days you really don't want to cook too much of food in the house, like your curry, rice, I think you just make this prawn pulao with a little pickle and you're done. You're done for the day. I mean, no need of heavy cooking for that day. Now once we've stirred this, your masala, your rice, your prawns all got together well. Now we'll add in our water. Now make sure when you're putting your water, the water should never be cold. Make sure it is boiling water so that your food, the temperature does not get low when you put cold water. Now I don't know, because I know exactly the water that I use for my pulao, but if you're not sure of it, you keep the measurement ready and use that amount of water. Okay, now give it a good stir. Just make sure that your water is a little above your rice. Not much, but just very little, or maybe even just above the rice level, okay? Now we'll cover this, allow the rice to cook till your pulao is well done. We'll just cover it, okay, and keep it on a medium flame. And we'll see you after 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, now let's see what our pulao looks like. It's nearly done. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Now I'm really hungry and I'm going to start digging into it right away. See the rice? You can see every grain of the rice. Wow, look at that. Some more shrimps. Oh, wow. Okay guys, now this pulao is ready and I hope you enjoy it, try it, enjoy it and put your comments down. You can also use chicken if you want instead of shrimps, okay? I love shrimp, so I'm going to just go for it.